Hi everyone! Today I want to take you on a special journey. It's the story of the birth of Jesus, a story that's been cherished by families for generations. Our journey begins in a small town called Nazareth, where a young woman named Mary lived. One day, an angel named Gabriel visited Mary with a message from God. He told her that she would have a special baby and she was to name him Jesus. Mary was a bit surprised, but she trusted in God's plan. Now, let's fast forward to a little town called Bethlehem. Mary and her husband Joseph had to travel there for a census. It was a long and tiring journey, and when they arrived, they found that all the inns were full, but they didn't lose hope. Finally, a kind innkeeper offered them a place to stay in his stable, and there, among the animals, Jesus was born. Mary wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid him in a manger. That same night, some shepherds were out in the fields, keeping watch over their sheep. Suddenly an angel appeared to them and said, "Do not be afraid, I bring you good news of great joy. Today in Bethlehem a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord." The shepherds quickly went to find baby Jesus and were filled with wonder and joy. Far away, 3 wise men saw a bright star in the sky. They knew it was a sign and followed it, bringing gifts of gold, frankincense and myrrh. When they found Jesus, they knelt down and worshipped him. And so, this is how Jesus was born, a story of faith, hope and love that continues to inspire families around the world. Thanks for joining me on this animated journey through the birth of Jesus. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. See you next time.